Welcome, future developers and founders, to today's Explainer. We are going to be exploring an incredibly powerful new multimodal AI suite. But honestly, we're not just going to sit here and read through a boring feature list. Nope, we are going to live it. We're going to literally walk through a typical day in the life of a startup founder to see exactly how these tools completely change how we build and operate our businesses. So let's step into the future of development together.
So, you might be wondering, what does a typical day actually look like when AI steps up and does the heavy lifting? Well, today, we're going to reframe AI entirely. Think of it as your co-founder, your executive assistant, and your senior engineering team, all rolled into one. Let's trace how a modern founder seamlessly integrates these tools from dawn to dusk.
Picture this. Your day begins at 6 a.m. Before your feet even hit the floor, you are greeted with a highly personalized daily brief. And look, this isn't just some generic news feed. It's an intelligent summary compiled directly from your Gmail, your calendar, and your core apps. By 6:30 a.m., your 24/7 personal AI agent, Gemini Spark, is already hard at work. The absolutely amazing part here is that Spark runs completely autonomously, even with your laptop shut. It's managing your scheduling, monitoring your inbox, and it even handles your personal shopping.
I want to pause here because this brilliantly illustrates a profound shift in productivity. By letting Gemini Spark monitor your inbox and handle all that annoying friction of household management, you are literally reclaiming precious hours before you've even opened your laptop. As an educator and a fellow founder, I can promise you this is the secret sauce. You're preserving your mental energy and cognitive load purely for building the future of your software, rather than, getting bogged down in daily chores.
Okay, so by 7 a.m., right before heading out, you check Gemini for Science's WeatherNext tool. And notice how this data moves way beyond your basic daily outlook. It's processing complex climate data to give you this deep environmental awareness. It can actually forecast extreme events, like a Category 5 hurricane, days in advance. You are stepping out into the world fully, completely prepared.
Section 1. Workspace and Commute Setup. Let's hit the road.
You step outside and slip on your Android XR intelligent eyewear. These are augmented reality smart glasses built in collaboration with Samsung, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker. It's super cool. You get hands-free AR navigation straight to the office, and you can even review a few key metrics just floating right there in your peripheral vision as you walk. The technology isn't just stuck in your pocket anymore. It is seamlessly integrated into your physical environment.
You arrive at your desk, you open your Apple computer, and instantly, the free downloadable Gemini for macOS app takes over. It intelligently centralizes and manages your entire workspace interface. But hey, no founder works in total silence, right? To get into the zone, you fire up Flow Music and Lyria 3 Pro. These tools dynamically generate a custom, focus-enhancing background soundtrack that is tailored perfectly to your workflow. The vibe is set.
All right, moving to Section 2. Next-gen development tools. This is where the magic happens.
The absolutely crucial takeaway here is the sheer technical efficiency you gain. The days of those slower, expensive, traditional coding iterations, they are effectively over thanks to the Anti-Gravity 2.0 stack. This is a developer platform designed specifically from the ground up for AI agents, and powering the whole shebang is Gemini 3.5 Flash. The metrics on this are wild. It operates 4 times faster at just 1/3 the cost of previous Pro models. You are building faster, cheaper, and way smarter. Let's actually break down how you build with this stack. Step 1, you prototype using Google Flow, utilizing this awesome concept called vibe coding. Basically, you generate code by naturally describing the logic and the feel of the app, rather than meticulously typing out syntax. Then, step 2, as you vibe code, the Stitch tool visually updates your project's user interface instantly, utilizing its 5 major upgrades. The bridge between your raw idea and visual reality is practically instantaneous now.
Section 3. Running the small business. Because once the code compiles, you still have a company to run.
And this is exactly where the Pomeli agent comes into play. Look, running a small business involves an absolute mountain of operational friction. But while you are intensely focused on the big picture and your product's architecture, the Pomeli agent is activated. It acts as your independent operational assistant. It silently and autonomously handles those grueling background tasks that normally drain a founder's energy. Stuff like invoice tracking, inventory queries, all the nuts and bolts of just keeping the business breathing.
Now, to manage your active, real-time projects and market research, you leverage the totally redesigned Google Search.
Guys, this is its first major overhaul in 25 years. It doesn't just accept text anymore. You can drop in images, files, videos, or literally entire Chrome tabs. Even better, you can deploy search agents. These little guys run 24/7 on your behalf, tracking your specific industry topics, monitoring competitors, finding venue options, and pinging you with push notifications when they discover something critical. And here is a really fascinating concept: agentic coding, built directly into Google Search. When you ask a complex business question now, Search doesn't just hand you a list of links. No way. It can actually write and execute code in real time to build interactive simulations, custom UIs, and data dashboards right there in your search results. It is actively calculating the exact answers you need to make critical executive decisions on the fly.
Finally, Section 4, Secure Content Generation. Let's wrap up the day.
You've built a software, now you need promotional assets for it. Enter Gemini Omni, also known as Omni Flash. This is an advanced multimodal model that generates incredibly high-quality video assets from just a single sentence, a quick audio clip, or an image. And what's super impressive is that Omni is designed with a deep understanding of real-world physics. That means the videos it generates actually make logical, physical sense for your marketing materials. It's not going to output weird, gravity-defying nonsense.
Of course, with so much powerful content being generated at the drop of a hat, provenance and security are absolutely paramount. As this highlights, SynthID guarantees that all your generated visual assets remain completely secure and verifiable. Google has actually expanded this watermarking technology to cover 100 billion AI-generated images. So as you flood the market with your incredible new promotional materials, their AI-generated origins are transparently and securely watermarked.
And just like that, our Startup Founders Day comes to a close. As this explainer wraps up, I want to leave you, future developers, with one final provocative thought. We've seen how Gemini Spark seamlessly manages your life, how Gemini 3.5 Flash drastically accelerates your coding, and how Pomeli and search agents flawlessly run your operations. So, when the AI handles all the busy work, all the friction, and all the administration, what world-changing software are you going to build tomorrow? The floor is yours.